So today we're going to be using the two-way table to find the probability of an event. So this is similar to what we've been doing with frequencies, but it's actually a little bit easier. So when we talk about probability, we're looking for a probability. And what we want is we want a ratio, which is going to be the number of the event, I'm using that word event loosely, out of the total number of events. I'm using that very loosely. So let's read our problem. It says, every summer Victor goes on a week-long canoe trip with his childhood camp friends. After the trip, he usually purchases some oars from the destination city. This collection of oars is organized by year and type of wood. So this beginning part of it is really just explaining what we have in our data table. So in 2010, he bought 4 spruce wood oars and 4 ash wood oars. And in 2011, he bought 2 spruce wood oars and 4 ash wood oars. So the question is what is the probability that a randomly selected oar, that means he stuck his hand in the pile, pulled it out, was made from ash wood and was purchased in 2010. So we're looking at ash wood in 2010. That's going to be 4. So that's going to be the number of the event. So that's going to be, he has 4 options of that happening out of the total number of events. So 4, so that's going to be 4. There's the first 4. Plus 4. There's the second one. Plus 4 is the third one, and plus 2. So then I'm going to do my math. I get 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. And we're going to be leaving these as fractions for our purposes, but I do want it to be a simplified fraction because when you go and practice today, that's how it's going to check its answer. So I'm noticing that both 4 and 14 are even. So I am going to divide them both by 2 because even numbers are divisible by 2. So I get 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2 over 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So my probability is 2 in 7. And that is the answer that I would like to do. So today what we are going to be doing is you're going to be working in IXL. And now we're in IXL. And so this is where they give you an example. So if you're a little bit confused when you're on a problem, you can go ahead and look at the example and they'll work it out for you. They've done the same thing that I've done, which is you're doing the number of outcomes in D, that's just some event, out of the total number of outcomes. So when we look at the original problem that we had, that we did over on the whiteboard, our answer should be 2 of 7. And you can go ahead and put that in there as a fraction with just the slash there and submit, and we get it. So let's do one more over here. A birthday party caterer counted the number of juice cups on the table. The cups contain different flavored juices and different shaped straws. What is the probability that a randomly selected cup contains orange juice and a heart-shaped straw? So I am looking at where orange juice and heart-shaped straw match. So there I am with my 4. There's my 4. So that's the numerator. Here's my numerator of 4. Not drawing real well with this particular pen, so sorry about that. And let's see if I can make that a little smaller. No. And then, so I need the total. So my total is 4. I'm just going to do this in my head. 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Plus 3 more is 16. So it's 4/16. And I've noticed that 4 is a factor of both 4 and 16. So 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So I'm going to get for an answer 1/4. So I need to take that off. And so my answer is 1/4. Go ahead and submit that. And so again, you want to pay attention to your SMART score. I'd like your SMART score to be at least 80, or if you do 20 minutes. But if you're really having trouble with these, please talk to me. So thank you very much.